Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. As I mentioned in my last video, I'd like to do a giveaway. I think it was last month I reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay! I wanna thank you from bottom of my heart. I really appreciate your support. You've been so kind, so loving. You gave me lots of courage. So I really want to say thank you to each and every one of you. So the giveaway, I love journaling, as you know, and I know that you guys do too. So I thought a journaling pack would be perfect. Or if you've been wanting to do journaling but haven't started yet, this can be a great beginner starting pack because it has beautiful pattern papers, washi tapes, stickers, chipboards, and some more goodies in the envelopes. Let me give you a closer look. First, I have two paper pads by Prima. They are A4 size. The stickers are on, so I'll show you mine. This is Midnight Bloom collection. It has beautiful florals in pink and black. They are all double-sided. And this is Dream-On collection. This one is more artistic. I love this drawing effects. And this is so atmospheric. So they are paper pads. This is a sticker sheet and a layered chipboard from the same collection, Serendipity by Bobani. It is such a lovely collection with lots of birds. The sticker has these titles, blank banners, tickets, and the chipboard has glitter effects. I love this color scheme. And this is a letter set. It's always fun to add an envelope when you journal. In this envelope, I will show you this in a minute. I put some used postal stamps. They are from various countries. And some circular stickers. They have cute florals. And some little doilies. I have another envelope. I made this envelope with vintage Snow White book page. It has chipboards of my favorite brand, Graphic 45. It is vintage Hollywood collection. They are just so gorgeous. So there was that. And as you know, my journaling never ends without washi tapes. They are all from my favorite washi tape company, MT. First, I have some basic ones. Plain polka dots and stripes. They are always super handy to have. And they are collage type designs. This one has French and this one is tartan. These are wider tapes. This one has ribbons. This is sealing wax and this has envelopes. They will be perfect for vintage style journaling. So there was that. And the last, this is the most special one to me. This is a washi tape designed by my favorite artist and my friend Dahee Jung. It looks like this. It is beautiful red and her gorgeous flamingo drawing on it. She also designed the coordinating stickers. It has two sheets. They are beautiful wild animals. It has zebra, cheetah, parrot. My favorite is definitely the sheep. So this is what I prepared for this giveaway. To enter this giveaway, first you should subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. It will help me a lot if you let me know what you want to see in the future of my channel or what you like about my channel. I'll be drawing a winner on 13 September. I'll leave a reply to the winner's comments and announce it in the comment sections on my videos and social media. So I hope you like this giveaway. I really hope this journaling pack would help someone enjoy journaling more or start it. Again, thank you so much for your support and love. Let me know if you have any questions. In the next video, I'm going to share my first ever vintage digital printable. If you like the vintage doilies and hankies that I was using in my journaling, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Good luck with the giveaway. Bye bye.